Hi there, welcome to our channel FleeTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to transfer eToro to eToro money from crypto.com. So for this, first step you need to follow is close your position. If you're transferring crypto assets and so you have closed your position on eToro. The next step that you need to follow is assess your eToro portfolio and from there choose a specific crypto asset that you want to transfer. Now click on transfer to wallet on the trade details screen and from there review the details and click on transfer to eToro money wallet. The next step that you need to follow is send eToro money to crypto. So for this, go to eToro money app and log in with your eToro money app account. Now select the crypto that you want to send and click on send. Now input the recipient's crypto.com public address either by typing or scanning the QR code. Next, confirm and verify. Double check the address, then tap send and verify with the SMS code. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.